Let's take a second to look at prior generations and policy lists. If I go into my client and go into a policy, as you can see up here, this is my renewal. And if you look down here to the bottom left, you'll see 4 of 4. That is telling you how many prior generations there are, or AKA prior terms. All right, so if I needed to look at the 6/30/2019 term to 12/30/2019, I'm going to go right down here to this small arrow. You'll see the arrow that pops up and says previous record. If I click on that, I'm going to see my prior generation, which is the prior term. You'll see that it's marked as prior generation here. I can keep clicking on these arrows to the left and it will show me each prior generation that policy has. Another way to view prior generations is to go to this button, Policy List. If you click on Policy List and go over here to Show All, that means it's going to show you all the generations for those policies. So I'm going to click Show All, and as you can see here, it's showing my active policies, but it's also showing me my prior generations here. You can access the active or a prior generation by clicking to the left here and go to Policy. Now when you go to Policy, it is going to take you to the most current, but as I said before, you can just go right down here to this little arrow, click to the left, and it will take you to any term that you need to access. If you have any questions, call 828-245-1171. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.